the lake we need to cross. It's just beautiful. Wow. Choco is happy. Look at these trees, all of the trees here. He knows where to go already. Choco is already on the other side. Okay. Here is the frozen lake. Where'd he go?
He was next to you.
Choco!
Next to you, I said.
Oh, not really. Gorgeous day. Today is 26 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's like -4 Celsius. I always compare to Celsius. It's not bad. Little windy. The past 2 weeks was so cold. It's a little windy. The wind is making it a little cold. Yesterday after we came back from walk, he just dropped it down all afternoon on the carpet. Slept for a few hours.